Hi, I'm Violet. For those who don't know me, I'm currently in my early 20s and this is my digital diary where I'll be journaling little things in my life so I can finally be less chronically online. It has been a while since I filmed this video because I was busy for the exam season. From the title, you might have already figured that I'll be showing you how I prep for Garba. For your information, Garba is an Indian festival usually happens around the end of September and start of October. From my sugar intake, you can see I was pretty stressed. It was only the beginning of the week and I already had 2 drinks. Let me show you my skin routine. As you all know, I'm quite a lazy girly, so I try to keep things simple. My skincare is all about hydration because my skin is always dry like the Sahara Desert. This matcha face mask has been treating me so well. I've been dying to try this toasty. I really enjoyed it. I'm rating it a 9 out of 10.
Right, so the whole purpose of meeting up with her today is to grab my Lehenga. You know how my mom recognizes you? My mom is always saying like, oh, are you meeting up with the friend who gave you the dress? Yeah, by the way, she lived like, 60 kilometers away from me, so we meet somewhere in the middle. I'm gonna try on this Lehenga on Saturday.
Taking public transportation is so humbling sometimes. These 2 lehengas are so heavy, I was literally struggling to walk. Let's unbox these packages I've piled out for the past few weeks.
So the first package is from Revolve. So I got this red dress and also this waist chain. I don't think it really goes together as well as I expected, but then I can also wear this when I go to the beach or like maybe in a black dress. I think it will look good. Well, as you know, I did my nails before I went to Queenstown and I should have probably thought about the color before I got it because green and this red, low-key I'm looking like a Christmas tree.
The second dress is from Facebook Marketplace. It is giving more of a beach vibe. I'm so glad to finally have some red dresses because I'm a die-hard Lana girl. The last package was a cleanser and mascara. The cleanser has a watery texture and is very gentle. This viral mascara does magic on my stubborn Asian lashes, but it's very difficult to wash off. I was very lucky to win a raffle for this self-care combo. It's a 15 minutes back massage with 60 minutes hydration facial. Speaking of self-care, I highly recommend my girlies to oil the hair. Ever since I started, my hair volume has significantly improved. If you are wishing for even faster result, you can try using onion juice with aloe vera. It's been a busy week. I finally got to celebrate my bestie's graduation.
I just submitted 2 assignments and today is another day of Phoebe sleeping like she just finished a 9 to 5.
I was so in love with this lehenga. Sadly, this is too heavy for dancing. Garba is a form of dance. The actual festival is called Navratri, which is roughly translated into 9 nights. I can't believe how packed the venue was, and everyone seemed to know what they were doing.
I like how inclusive this festival is. Many people like me feel so welcome to take part and celebrate. I had so much fun and I can't wait to do this again next year.